Hey, real quick, this is JD and FIA. I was listening to Kirk Franklin, Do You Want to Be Happy? And I heard the progression. We're in C. Alright, we went from the 1, walked up to the 3. Alright, you're going to play a major dominant 7 chord there. E. Simple way, I'm just going to keep it simple. E, and then right hand D, G sharp, and B, or A flat, and B. Alright. And then he went to the 6 and walked down to the sharp 4 and then to the 4. Alright, so I heard him do that, and I said, wow, you can do that on a song, other songs, something like It's in My Heart, that part where they say, you know, I believe, I'll be singing, same chord. Normally I go to the 4, go to the 2 and then 5. Alright, but here we can say same chords, go to the 6, walk it down. Alright, that chord there, playing just simply a D major chord over F sharp. Left hand I'm playing F sharp, C sharp. Right hand I'm playing F sharp, A, and D. D major chord. First inversion. Alright. D major 7. Alright. To the C sharp. Alright, and then going to our 4 chord. Alright. Alright, so once again, I believe I'll be singing to my E major, E7. Alright, to my 6. I'm just walking into it. A, B, C. Alright, A and E on my left hand. So finally I have the shell of a A minor 7. A, E on my left hand, right hand, G, and C. You can add the E if you want to. Just keeping it simple. Alright, and then back to that chord. If you want to play the full chord, A minor chord, A, E on left hand, right hand, G, B, C, and E. That'll give you a full chord. Walk it down, and then go to your F, your 4 chord, and then back to your 1. Alright. So, yeah, hope that helped you. If you got any questions, please let me know. Thanks.